In this video, we're going to recap an awesome trade in the futures market today, specifically the Dow futures, okay? And I'm going to show you how having the right type of chart styles, which is going to let you forecast a trend before it starts, just like this big green bar, is going to make all the difference in your trading. All right, let's do this. All right, what's up, traders? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope your trading week is starting off very well. And here it is, man, right? 30 million people, or 36 million people unemployed right now. They're out of work, right? Another 80 million people took a pay cut, a severe pay cut, just to stay employed because of this corona. And how does the market respond? It keeps going up, setting daily records. Right? It's bizarre, okay? To me, it makes no sense. To most of the world, it makes no sense. But here's the thing, guys. You gotta trade what's in front of you. I know that there's a lot of you guys out there that want to short this market. You've been trying to short this market. You've been shorting this market, and you've been getting your head cut off, right? Don't ever fight the trend. Guys, if we look at today's charts, in fact, let's just go ahead and slap on the dino bars on top of it. So I'm going to take this bullshit candlestick chart, and with one click of my mouse, I'm going to make the chart look like this. Okay? And this is from today. I'm not cherry picking. You can see that here in the x-axis, right? You can see the date. It's from today, the most recent full 24-hour session on the Dow futures, right? Here's the before, the bullcrap chart, and here's the after. In fact, let's just quickly label this here. This is the dino bars, okay? So here's what I'm talking about, guys, about being able to forecast the trend and why learning trend trading and also mastering it is going to be mission critical to your trading success, all right? This is no joke, right? No one watches these videos just to goof off or pass the time, right? We're all trying to learn something. We're all trying to get better each day than we were the day before, right? Unless you spend time learning what successful trading methodologies are, you're never going to advance, right? You're going to keep looking at this type of garbage here every day. It's going to drive you mad. You're going to be tempted to try to call tops and call bottoms instead of having a professional and business-like approach to the market. You understand what I'm saying? So today, this was it, right? This was it for the entire session. One long signal represented by a nice big green trend bar and two opportunities to get in on the retracement, right? There was absolutely nothing complicated or confusing about today's trading, right? The whole idea, guys, about learning to day trade professionally is you want to simplify things. You want to dumb it down. You want to make it so simple to spot these type of signals. You want to make it easy to get in on a retracement, right? And if you look at the y-axis here, you can see the entries happened right around 27,200, and look at where this thing closed, 27,500, right? 300 Dow points straight up. You did not get a single red bar, right? For those people, all right, and this is a message for those people who have tried to short the market. I know you were really tempted from the session before, right, where the Dow had a 900-point move. It was up 900 points on the non-farm payrolls, right? I know, trust me, I know how tempting it can be to try to short a strong market. Right? You're basically trying to counter trend trade, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? The problem is you're doing it while it's still green, right? Even on Friday, non-farm payrolls, fine. If you wanted to short the market, wait for a red bar, right? Draw your highs and draw your lows. Wait for that retracement to present itself to you, right? You notice how I said the word wait like 4 times? Well, guess what? The market rewards people and traders that are patient, that have the discipline. You understand what I'm saying? Let a trade come to you, right? Simply being able to identify a trend bar, I mean, that's great, but you also have to be very patient and wait for these retracements. Okay, that's how you capture a 200 to 300 point move in the Dow. So when you do the math on that, 2 contracts, $5 a Dow point times 300 points, that's how you can capture a potential $3,000 move one day, right? These numbers are real, guys. This price action is real from today. These numbers are real from today. And while all those morons were trying to short this market, trying to think they were smarter than the market, trying to call a top, the real professional traders knew that anytime you have a very, very strong up day, there's always going to be follow through, right? And when this Dino bar prints green, shame on you if you tried to short this market today. All right, so guys, I hope you learned something very valuable in today's video. The 2 takeaways that I want you to glean from this: number 1, don't ever fight the trend. Once you identify a trend bar and you get in on the retracement, just let it ride. And number 2, always trade what you see. Always trade what the chart's telling you. Charts don't lie. People do, right? You ever heard that saying? Well, here's another one. Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself. Okay? Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? Maybe the market keeps going up. Maybe we hit 30,000 on the Dow, or maybe it's a down 500, 600 point Dow. Who knows? Right? All you can do is trade what you see. Okay? Guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next trade.